This air conditioning unit, we have a repair on it right now. This carrier AC is making a shaking noise when it starts up, and it's making a buzzing noise when it runs. So we're going to do something to it. We're going to just push it a little bit and see if it just gets working again.
Right, but come on, once I do.
And now it's time for the startup. Well, actually, we got tons of fan blades right here. We have 3 fan blades and a GE fan motor and a Copeland skull compressor in this, and actually we're gonna see what happens when we turn it on again. And this has been not running actually. Oh, it has been running actually, and it's gonna be, we're gonna turn it on and see if it works again. As you notice, that's what I can only do with this unit. It's just still making a buzzing noise when it starts up, and it is a 2015 5-ton. It's pretty giant. It's like a giant carrier AC right here. And that's what I can only do with the air conditioner.